Greetings, fam. I'm out here getting some fresh air, and I wanted to review this book briefly. This awesome book that I completed the other day. It's called The New Food Culture, and it's by Shaker Zema Love Fire. I call her Shaker because that's how I met her. I met her as a Shaker. That's what she is. But Zema Love Fire is a fantastic woman. See her name on there? I'm gonna put a link to her. I'm gonna put a link to her Amazon link to purchase it. But you could also contact her on Instagram or Facebook at Zema Love Fire, Zema Love Fire, yeah, and purchase yours directly from her. So this book is one of the top food reference books. It was a real big surprise. She has some wonderful chapters, but what I can remember that she spoke of was what's in our water, what's in our food, what's legally allowed to be put in our food and we don't know about, or to be present in our food that we don't know about. Facts that would surprise you. What are the best choices? What the natives of America used to eat to sustain their health. It is so replete with wonderful information. And like I said, you can read it through once, but I think for years to come, it will be a reference to go back and get tips on those herbs, how to make tinctures, journal prompts. Like she loaded this book. I think she wrote it in 2021. Let me check when she wrote this book. This book was copywritten in 2016. Can you believe that? This book was copywritten in 2016. And everything that's in here is applicable and pertinent to what's going on right now with our food. She's far in advance with this book. So I would recommend that you guys get your copy, keep it on your shelf, read it through, and then use it as a reference guide to navigating the harsh reality of our food culture right now. Our current food culture. The squirrel is like, yeah, that's right. There's a little squirrel talking about, yeah, get that book. Let me see if I could get that squirrel up in here. He got on out of here. But he was like, yeah, rustling around. And then not to neglect to mention how beautiful this cover is. Like, as we grow, she still looks this lovely. And this was copywritten in 2016. So she's practicing what she's talking about in here, because she's being well preserved. How many of us would like our hair to be growing lusciously from our heads, and our skin to be clear and beautiful, and our eyes to be white around the pupil? That's it. What the eyeballs to be reflecting white. Like there's just like all our creativity and beauty comes from how we eat. It's a big part of how we eat and how we think. And she has all those little gems included in this book. So I highly recommend it. Thanks for listening. I'm staring at the book. I should be staring at y'all. I highly recommend it to the people. All right. Catch y'all later.